So here's 3 types of SPF for the face, starting with skin shade. So this is giving you a little tint. This is the light to medium version, and there is a darker one as well. So just gives you coverage, lovely dewy effect, SPF 50. So this is what I would wear on the beach, by the pool, on holiday. Sunday is something you can wear every day, all year round, no colour. So if you're wearing any white clothing, it wouldn't colour it. This is very, very light, great base under makeup, SPF 50. It's also giving that hyaluronic acid, and it has a lovely kind of mango-y smell. Next one is something that we love. We love the CC cream, and this gives you that bit extra. CC cream, SPF 50, it's giving you that coverage. It comes in 6 different shades. The tone I'm wearing here is medium, so you choose what's relevant for you. Delivering, again, skin sync technology, blends in with your skin, loads of goodness, and gives you that little extra bit of coverage, SPF confidence.